Kailan yo, galing ah.
Iwan ko, sabi palitan daw yun.
Magic.
Akala ko bago lang yun.
Second hand yun sa ano galing. Sumama si Avatar sa inyo sa baba o dyan lang?
Sama doon, antay din siya roon.
Andun yung anak niya eh. Pito.
So yeah.
May anak yan doon, nakabanyan doon eh. Ano yan ah?
Oh!
Iwas obligasyon.
Siya.
O takas
Ano
obligasyon.
iniwan niya roon? O
Hindi.
kinuha?
Aso nila Aldrin, nilalakan niya.
Alright.
Hindi. Di
Let's
naman
start fire.
inihit nung inano niya eh. Ano ba
Hindi ba yung papayag ba kung hindi yun?
I just like this and I cover my head.
Oh, kleng.
Oh no, a cricket.
Bilang ko rin.
May nakita kong cricket.
Kurikits talaga.
So sorry about that.
Kasunod niyan.
And
Kami ang pala mga
like this, I cover my
Hindi, yung mga dumadaan dito.
hand
Ano yung trip?
in this and
Yung mga resort.
when the mamas come, I open them and I dance around and I go there. And that's where I stop. And I found a cricket going there. The cricket touched me. I thought it was a
Wala pa naman sila
crocodile. So that's
Sabi niya.
papaya. So yeah.
Kaya nung pagkakita ko picture,
Kiss
puro
me
putik
and
talaga eh.
go to the house.
Wala daw nila ano.
So yeah, there's a swimming pool. You know, oh, this is where the owner is. Yep. So so that's the kittens. What's this? Is in it. So yeah, just sitting. I just wanted to eat, and there's Gary. Hey, hello Gary. Just wait, I'm gonna pause this. So this is Gary. You might see him. I'm gonna go feed him. I'm done being, but it's time to go now. Bye.